In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automations in Wix to streamline your customer engagement process. Wix offers an intuitive way to manage all your customer interactions efficiently and effectively. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to access your Wix dashboard. Open up your Chrome browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your Wix site. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and navigation if you're not already comfortable with it. From your dashboard, look for the section labeled Customer Management. This is where you handle all things related to your clients and site visitors. Under this section, find and click on Automations. Here, you have control over various automated processes that can enhance how you communicate with your audience without requiring constant manual oversight. And now that you're in the automation section, let's move on to creating a new automation. You'll see a button that reads Create New Automation. Click on it, and you're ready to start building your first automation. This automation can help automate repetitive tasks, saving you time, and ensuring consistent communication with your customers. The next step is to choose a trigger for your automation. A trigger is essentially an event that starts the automation process. Wix offers several trigger options, such as a new subscriber joining your mailing list or someone abandoning their cart mid-purchase. Consider what action best suits your needs for this particular automation. Selecting the right trigger is crucial because it determines when and how your automation will fire. After settling on a trigger, it's time to decide on the action you want to take. For example, you might want to send an email or perhaps a series of emails. The key here is to think about the type of engagement you want with your customer. Would a warm welcome email be sufficient, or would a series of follow-up emails be more appropriate to re-engage someone who has abandoned their cart? Choose the action that best fulfills your goals. Now let's move on to the creative part, customizing your email content. You can craft a message that is not only welcoming but also informative and relevant to your audience. Make sure your email reflects your brand's voice and offers clear value to the reader. Additionally, you can schedule these emails to be sent at a specific time to maximize their impact, perhaps aligning with your customer's time zone or a particular milestone in the sales process. Once all this is set up, go ahead and activate your automation. Don't forget to save your work to ensure that all configurations are recorded and that your automation is ready to go live. With everything set, your newly created automation is now active, working behind the scenes to help manage your customers effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough helps make your customer management much more efficient with Wix. Catch you in the next video.